The air is filled with festivities with the arrival of Yaoshang. However, for one young girl, it is a painful occasion. Nongthombam Pushpa is a 14-year-old girl filled with youthful curiosity, vibrant energy with a smile on her face. What sets her apart from any other girl is that she is a differently able person. Although her heart wants to play with her friends, she is unable to because of her disability.
Yaoshang yaubudi yauninge ba yaubudi yauninge do koi yaoshang na hawaidi inaw nupi oi mayam ga tongminarame hojikti inaw nupi oi do chawrobnina ai ga tongningsdare moi chawrobnina moi gi chana mami ge mayam toraga aidi yaoshang sen tharaju thori paiju ngamdamnina ai tongningsdare handakti na hawaidi dom tongminaram do moi tongan togare and ai jawroi gen toy handakti.
It is tougher for the family members to watch her as Pushpa moves on with her life facing discrimination from the society. Her mother, Nongthombam Ongbi Satyabati, says she will enjoy her true Yaoshang when her daughter becomes an independent woman standing on her own feet.
Hantaki Yaoshang je sidi laikai ge moi manau nupi laikai mamana bijingna maje inthokpi bagi wakhala mala pajida maje yumda lainingdre ma arapa ma moi bu udaba famjaga boarding gumba kai gumba amda laininge adana hayeng mana afaba mi ma moi maraktagi afaba mi mo ora kanda ichadana mang phawna ba kanda khoigi Yaoshang adu oirage.
Yaoshang is a special occasion for young boys and girls. Seeing the suffering of a sister, Nongthombam Khunjao is unable to celebrate this festive occasion. His resolution in life is to help others who are also suffering like Pushpa.
Yaoshang lakpa matamje sum naha mo oibagidi yamna haraute yamna nungai sum mayam pakhang leisabi inkhalakpa di chanupi mayam su matam mipum khudimagi kumai achauba kumai amani yam nungai do akhoi gidi mungsi laibak thiba hagadra yam laibak phaba hagadra chanupi gi phibam sigi yenga mayamna nungai ba mayam che jong sanaba Yaoshang thabal kumai rau chatpa simadi akhoi gi saruk tambiramdre haitare.
While Yaoshang is about to kickstart bringing a festive occasion in the state, for many people like Pushpa, it is a sad occasion. With camera person Namairapam Bishojit and Bhakta Taurambam, then Shivam Sangeeta, Impact News.